You managed to get it then, Curry?
Yeah, got it.
That's hot. Oh my god.
Just drop down.
I don't know.
Try and get that close. Roll.
Oh, got her! Where's she gone now?
She's over there. When?
Does she ever succeed of doing that?
Should we go again?
She's doing it sometimes.
Oh, got her!
Did you? Did you really get her?
See why I got no air now.
Just taking it all off every bit.
Got it again! Oh shit, brilliant!
She's amazing.
You go after me, up. Trying to make it more exciting for us. So straight after me. Abby's going to swing the lure. See, she's going out now. She's going to get more height. You know, more speed. Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, I saw that.
She's doing 80 odd, 78.
Yeah, I'm going to get her inside the one. God.
Yeah. And she's got me doing it on a day when she's got the wind.
Yeah.
She's got more confidence in her ability as well.
Oh, you got ya?
Don't let you go and use the wind. This is how we get her fit.
So how many days do you do this?
We fly
I can.
5 days of the week like this if we can. I'll go after this out.
Got her. She's brilliant!
Use you as cover to try and come round and catch me out.
I'm gonna have 2 videos of her. She's brilliant! Yes, you are! Beautiful! Whoa, Jesus Christ! She's brilliant! Yeah, I've got ya! Oh, gee, das ist wahr!
You get that?
Yeah, I got it.
Don't click on that camera, you do brilliant.
Oh, gee.
Give me back to you.
They think they should get a nice high stick now. No, he's pulled out.
Yeah? Oh shit, wait. Jesus, she's late.
You go after this one out.
She's off to Abby. No chance my camera's going to catch that. No chance. Curry's been getting some brilliant bits of them, haven't you?
Oh, yes.
Well, we don't have the apple box here.
how far I can zoom
What's your picture? Do you want to get a bit closer, do you?
Yeah.
Walk closer, come by me. Come and walk closer to me. You know me. And what, if you crouch down as well, and then you look smaller to her, you're not as much of a threat. She's going to come up to Abby's fist now. So just taking it off her so she thinks, you know, we might have pinched it off her. Instead of pinching it, what we do, Abby will give her a bit, offer her some food as a fair exchange. When she's pulled in a few legs off it.
She is magnificent.
She is fantastic.
When was the last time you watched it live, yeah?
That first week we came back after Christmas with the 7th of January.
We'd had some terrible weather during that thing. I wasn't getting it.
She is magnificent. Yes, you are. Beautiful.
The difference it makes is, but this well, you get this wind, you get doing that.
Would she have any predators in the wild?
Now that's a difficult question to answer really, because in the wild there shouldn't be any of these birds.
I mean,
it's a hybrid, because it's a peregrine crossed with Saker. As opposed to the peregrine, some of the eagles will predate on some of the falcons. But like I say, if they get the chance, it's very rare they get the chance, because as you can see by the speed of the falcon, they're quite quick. Yeah. And the pure peregrine sometimes might even be a little bit quicker.
Yes, is that what she's doing?
Mantling.
Yeah, that's what birds of prey tends to do.
It's protecting from her food from us, somebody, you know, pinching it off her. The state of the fairness.
You got it on YouTube. Oh, she's a feisty.
She'll always try and do as well. She'll always try and turn to face the wind.
Well, it's
natural for the body again to face the wind, for it to sit and be more comfortable.
That was a bit of a piglet, what that was.
Oh, she is brilliant.
Amazing.
Just make her fast.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly. Every time she goes to try and catch the lure, then we cast that as what we call, it's called a pass. Oh, you've dropped it, you
Gatsby! Gatsby! See the test? You just hold on a sec. Gatsby! Gatsby! Alright, can you just tilt your arm a little bit for me? Way, there we go. Right, just tilt your arm up back a little bit. Open so when you finger. There. And just hold on a sec. Now relax. So bend your elbow, that's it, relax. Keep hold of him tight. Smile. He looks chuffed a bit. What do you think? Do you want to have a little stroke of him? Well, it was working with the other groups, but he was at a lower weight. He was at a lower weight. Shut up. Okay? Right, Ruth.